Hey guys, so I want to take a moment and make a quick video update about the LED bar that I installed in the front. And I want to talk about some of the effects about having it installed the way that I have, and the main concern that I had before installing it, and the problem I had recently was about blocking off the airflow and not getting enough air to the cooler and to the radiator, and yeah, how that affected the car. So let's go to the front and check it out, and I'm gonna show you what I have changed since the last time. Okay, so you have probably seen my other video on how I installed this LED bar, and if you haven't, check it out. I think it's gonna help you understand the process of installing this one. But thing to know is that when installing a single row, the smaller one, you're gonna block off a lot of the airflow, or almost all airflow. There's a little bit of air coming through here, maybe that more at the bottom, and then just tiny bit on the sides, but it's not enough. So from the beginning I had drilled out here in the there's it's like sections, 5 sections. So in each section I did 3 holes, 3 and 3. But recently we had really hot temperature. We had 32 degrees centigrade, and we went on a long road trip, me and a few friends of mine. So we were doing 2,400 kilometers, and the range dropped to about half as we were on the highway a lot and we were fast charging. And so the gasometer was estimating to give us 74 kilometer range on full charge, and it's not enough to, like, if you want to go somewhere. So I had to get these tools on the go. So I just got a saw, and what I did is that I cut out between the holes, and then I use a rough file just to get closer to the bottom and to the top, and improve the airflow, and then just finish it off with a finer file to smoothen it out a little bit, and that actually helped. So my recommendation is to make more of these holes. Actually, I would recommend making them bigger, like drill holes further out on the side on each block, and then just use the saw, cut between, hold this one on, and don't poke the saw into the radiator. Try not to do that, because that would be bad. And make them bigger. More air equals better, because the holes I had in the beginning, I mean, they were fine for just commuting at home, charging it overnight, but it was not enough in the long run. And even though the car didn't really say, like, oh, battery pack overheating, but I could tell that it was because of the airflow. And after making these bigger holes, I could tell right away that the range was getting back to normal. So other than that, I really like the LED bar. I don't really use it much, but when I need to use it, it's good enough. It gives a lot of light, and I mean, of course, it's too close to the ground. There's nothing to do about that. I've seen some people mount it up here above the license plate. I don't like that. I like it to have it tucked away in here. I feel more secure with that. But lesson learned is that you need to make more air holes here. So it's kind of easy. But anyhow, that was all I had to update with, and thank you for watching if you have. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.